Tired of typing and tapping all day? What if I told you Google Assistant can automate your life with just your voice? Let me show you how. Okay, first, we go through the device controls. Hey Google, turn on Bluetooth.
Okay, turning Bluetooth on.
Increase brightness by 20%.
Brightness is increased by 20%.
Turn on dark mode.
Dark mode is turned on.
Take a selfie.
Okay.
Take picture in 5 seconds.
Okay.
How much battery do I left?
Your battery percentage is 37%.
Open Gmail and show all the mails from Daily UI. Excellent. Now show me a recipe for passion fruit pie.
Here is the recipe for passion fruit pie.
Now, we will see the how. Google Assistant can assist you in third-party apps. Open Play Store. Set an alarm for 7 a.m.
Alarm is set for 7 a.m.
Show me my photos of 2021. How far is it from Ongole to Hyderabad?
Here is the distance between Ongole to Hyderabad.
Open YouTube and play a song. Play Stranger Things Season 2 on Netflix. Excellent. It can play videos on Netflix. Read this out for me.
From Asana. Feeling overwhelmed at work? Here's what to do.
Send this to Rohit.
Which Rohit?
Send me a message to my brother Venkat.
Okay, which one?
First one, Anna. Sorry, my bad. It was sending message me A. Let's check the human factors in the assistant. Remember that my keys are on top of cooler.
Okay, I remember that.
Remind me to call my friend tomorrow morning.
Sure, I'll remind you tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Remember that my parking location is B7 level 2.
Okay, I'll remember you parked at B7 level 2.
Let's check now. Where did I park my car?
You told me you parked B7 level 2.
Tell me what I said you to remember.
Here is what you told me.
That's it. If this video helped you, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more insane AI tricks, hit subscribe.